Pleased to show you the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, tow hitch, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, AM/FM stereo radio, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, CD player, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.